Humpty Dumpty is famous around the world, but there may be more to his story than you have heard. I hope you enjoy this song and the story it tells.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall in a world where nature stood tall. Then came the dawn of digits bright, transforming the world overnight. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall as analog warmth faded from all. Sharp blocks emerged, a fractured scene. Life's flow became a distant dream. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put the world together again. Efficiency reigned, but at what cost? Nature's rhythms were slowly lost. Humpty Dumpty, tale to recall, in a world now digital, standing tall. But let's not forget, in our hearts so true, the joy of nature in every hue. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall as analog warmth faded from all. Sharp blocks emerged, a fractured scene. Life's flow became a distant dream. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put the world together again. Efficiency reigned, but at what cost? Nature's rhythms were slowly lost. Nature's rhythms were slowly lost. Humpty Dumpty, a tale to recall, in a world now digital, standing tall. But let's not forget, in our hearts so true, the joy of nature in every hue.